Invasive species are problematic plants and animals that humans have introduced into new environments through trade, transportation, the pet industry, and generally by accident. They take advantage of places where they don't have any natural enemies, pests, or diseases and outcompete the native flora and fauna, leading to a decrease in biodiversity. Across the Great Lakes region, invasive species are a big problem. You've probably heard of aquatic invaders like zebra mussels and Asian carp, but wetlands are especially vulnerable to invasion. Invasive plants like hybrid cattail and invasive reed rapidly replace native plants by taking up large amounts of nutrients, entering wetlands from surrounding farms and cities. These invasive plants make bad habitats for native birds, frogs, and fish that rely on these wetlands, and this affects these populations across the Great Lakes Basin. Here at Loyola School of Environmental Sustainability, we have several projects across the Great Lakes Basin trying to remove, control, and manage invasive wetland plants like cattails. Loyola owns an amphibious tractor that can harvest and remove invasive cattails, allowing native plants to recolonize wetlands. By removing massive amounts of invasive plant biomass, a fancy term for any living material, we improve the openness and structure of the wetland, allowing fish and birds to take advantage of a mosaic of open water and vegetation. The leftover harvested material we collect with our machine presents a unique opportunity. We're working with farmers, energy producers, Chicago's Stickney Metropolitan Water Reclamation District, and the Illinois Tollway to come up with sustainable uses for the harvested biomass. This way we can remove nutrients from wetlands through biomass harvest and recycle them by delivering the material as compost to nearby farm fields where they act as a fertilizer replacement. We've even used harvested biomass to generate green energy through anaerobic digestion and direct combustion.